Good people, back again with another video. Back again with what I consider to be the best Air Max model of all time. You may agree. If you do, shout out yourself. If you disagree, shout out yourself. Just before I get into this model, this sneaker, this trainer, this Nike, this Air Max, this 95, this 110, I do need to request everyone to please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please, people, man. It's just one click. It makes a difference to me. It don't make a difference to you. All it is a click for you. Click the bell icon, all of that good stuff. Notifications on. A shout out the 100 and something people who have notifications on, by the way, because you're legends. All 100 of you. And maybe one day I'll give you £1 each. But yeah, man, let's get into the sneaker. So it will be the most posted trainer, sneaker, Nike, Air Max on my channel. Everyone knows I love Air Max 95s or 110s to some of you. So this box is the most posted box on my channel. This box, Nike, please change the box now, man. I'm sick of the box. Red Nike Air, red Nike Air, red Nike Air. Or Nike Air, just Nike logo, to be honest. Nike, 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 Nike. Information, Nike, Nike, Nike. Swoosh, just do it. Trademarks. Stuff I really don't care about. Now the important bit. Nike Air Max 95 AM. Don't ask me what AM is, please, man. I have no idea. The colorway is black, bright crimson / Volt. They are, as always, a UK 10, US 11, BR 43, 29 centimeters, and size 45, European size. Yeah, you can Google this if you actually want to find the specific trainer, sneaker for sale. Just a heads up or a tip for anyone who actually wants to purchase a pair. Now let's get to the good bit. Yeah, we should. Yes. Have a look at those. Wow. Just have a look at those, man. Just take a minute. Not literally a minute. If you want to take a minute, just pause the video here and breathe in and just look at those. So we'll start from the bottom. Got a nice Volt bottom. It's got all this, but they've never been worn, and that's not dirt. It's just the way it is. That's just the way it is. Because these are brand new. So black with the Volt, white Nike Air, and then, you know, good old plastic. Midsole is all black. It's actually a nice, you know, serious color. I like that. The serious bubble Volt colorway. So the front bubbles, back bubbles, all Volt. As you can see. You know what? I'm not happy with the flipping quality control on these. Look at that. That is a stinker. And it actually says word in there. I didn't even know that. Mad. Yeah, I'm not happy with that. I shouldn't expect scratches or whatever on a retail pair of a sneaker trainer that costs £165. That's not good. There's actually quite a lot of QC flaws I'm not happy with on these. So yep, the Volt bubbles. Then that material, I don't even know what it is. It's different, let's just say that. It's like a cloth based uncoated leather or something. This Air Max dab thing I'm not a fan of, to be honest. I don't know why that's there. I think it's kind of ruins it. Then it's got a nice little, I hope that's reflective. Yeah, it's definitely reflective. Reflective stripe. Then it's got the same material, whatever you want to call that. Let's call it tissue paper. Then it's got a nice crimson red tick, which is just beautiful, by the way. That color pops. Same reflective, so I actually kind of like that. You know, the choice of materials, the reflectiveness, whatever. The toe box is that same type of material, so that it's like a felt cloth. Yes, felt. It's felt. So I don't know why they chose to use a felt toe box, but I'm really not happy with that. Just reason being is toe boxes, in my opinion, always get kind of messed up or end up dusty, etc. I hate that. I think if that was leather, even if these bits were leather and that was leather, amazing. Like just a plain black leather. It's not difficult, Nike. Then you got the black mesh. And what I really like, look at the detail, like the color contrast on those lace loops. So it goes Volt, kind of orange, red, purple, red and purple, red and purple, red and purple kind of thing. Good standard mesh. It's slightly different to the standard one, but it's still mesh, so there's not really much I can say on that. It's mesh is mesh. It's got the reflective laces. Well, I hope they are reflective. They look reflective to me. Also, we've got the Air Max, a nice crimson Air Max logo. That is amazing. That color is so nice, if I'm honest. And then we've got the nice crimson again, Air Max inside. Sizing tag. Let's have a look at that. US 11, UK 10, Europe 45 centimeters, 29, BR 43. I actually don't know what BR is. Should we say Brazil? Mad. Then it's got the style codes and all that good stuff. Made in Indonesia. Yeah, so it's all black on the inside, mostly all black on the outside. Then it's got the red little tick, air tab, which I might just remove that myself, to be honest. And then the Volt, and I think this pair is just amazing. Like, it's simplicity, but it's so good. Like, it's so good. Even the back heel tab is the Nike Air. It's got the little dots, so that's definitely reflective. So one bit I did get annoyed at is kind of nice heel tab. I don't think the camera picks it up too well, but it is kind of like scratched up, which again, this is £165 pair of trainers. There shouldn't be any quality control issues or anything of that nature. Let's check this one. This back heel tab that's kind of better. It is kind of odd, just the way it is. I don't know what you want to call it or whatever. Yeah, so it is kind of already dusty, and look, they haven't even been worn. Like, that's still laced from the factory. That's factory laced. Even it's still got the inserts. I haven't even taken the inserts out. Like, I haven't put this trainer, sneaker, whatever you want to call it, on my foot yet. But it's definitely one I like. I have seen it on sale in a lot of places, as in being sold, not on sale as in on discount yet. If it does go on discount, it's up to you if you want to buy it, to be honest. If you do like them, I think a sale pickup on these would be amazing, like price wise, because you know £165 is quite steep. Like they do last, etc., but it's quite steep for Air Max 95. They used to be 110, so £110, and that's why everyone called them 110s, and now they are literally taking the mick with £165. And what's crazy is, unfortunately, that price will just continue to rise, and I don't want that to happen, man. But Nike, if anyone from Nike is watching, just send me a pair, please, man. I want some freebies now, and also I can assist you with designing a pair, and I don't even want royalties. I just want to design them for the sake of designing them. But yeah, people, man, that's enough of me waffling for today. Have a look at that. As always, there will be an on foot video to follow. Make sure you like, you comment, you share, you subscribe, you watch the on foot, you watch all the other videos, and most importantly, take care, people.